Hey guys, Lens here. If you're wondering how can I find your parts for your Android tablet, maybe a different brand, as you can see this one is cracked, and we have been using the name of this tablet to try and find the tablet. So we used that name and we didn't find anything. Vido, right guys? And just to show you what you need to do in finding these numbers, which is the part number, you need to open the tablet and you can see that the number is here. You put that into Google. So when you put that into Google, a lot of different options will come up. As you can see, it's even on AliExpress as well. As you can see, we actually find this on eBay and we found it on AliExpress as well. So guys, this is how you can find your tablet digitizer screen. Do like, share and subscribe.